The moon looks like a peaceful, silent neighbor, right? A calm, familiar shape hanging in our night sky. Wrong. The moon is actually the witness to a planetary crime scene. 4.5 billion years ago, Earth didn't have a moon at all. The early solar system was violent, crowded, and chaotic. And Earth had a date with one of them, a rogue, Mars-sized world named Theia. Their meeting wasn't slow. It wasn't gentle. And it definitely wasn't survivable for one of them. This wasn't a handshake. It was a full-speed, planetary car crash.
Behind every moment lies a scientific wonder. I'm Kale, and welcome to SciCurios, where curiosity meets science.
This event is known as the giant impact hypothesis. Imagine a planet roughly the size of Mars smashing into Earth at nearly 10 miles per second. The energy released was so immense that solid rock behaved like liquid. Entire continents melted instantly. According to advanced computer simulations from the Southwest Research Institute, Theia didn't survive the collision. It was completely pulverized. For a brief moment, Earth wasn't a planet. It was a glowing sphere of magma. For a while, Earth looked like Saturn, except instead of icy rings, it was surrounded by a ring made of vaporized rock and fire. This debris disk was trapped by Earth's gravity. But whether that debris became a moon or simply fell back to Earth depended on one crucial rule, the Roche limit. Inside this boundary, gravity tears objects apart. Outside it, gravity pulls them together. This debris was just far enough away. Slowly, clumps of molten rock began to collide. Shockingly, scientists believe the moon may have formed incredibly fast, possibly in less than a century. So how do we know this isn't just a beautiful space fairy tale? The proof is locked inside the rocks. When Apollo astronauts brought moon samples back to Earth, scientists expected them to be different. But the chemistry told a different story. Moon rocks have the exact same oxygen isotope ratios as Earth. Not similar, not close, identical. That's like a cosmic fingerprint. The moon isn't just a neighbor. It isn't just a companion. It's family. The moon is literally a piece of Earth that moved out. And here's the part that hits close to home. We actually owe our existence to this collision. The impact with Theia gave Earth its 23.5-degree axial tilt. This tilt is responsible for our seasons. Without it, Earth's climate would be wildly unstable. Even more importantly, the moon's gravity acts like a stabilizer. Without the moon, Earth would wobble chaotically, like a dying top. This would cause extreme climate swings that would make complex life almost impossible. The moon isn't just a nightlight. It's our gravitational anchor. But this relationship isn't permanent. The moon is slowly drifting away from Earth at about 1.5 inches per year. By measuring this drift, NASA scientists can rewind a clock, tracing the moon's path backward all the way to that violent moment. A breakup that started with the most intense collision Earth has ever experienced. If Theia had missed Earth by just a few thousand miles, our planet might never have developed stable seasons, predictable tides, or life as we know it. One small change, and Earth becomes a completely different world. So if you could rename the rogue planet that made the moon something other than Theia, what would you call it? Drop your best names in the comments.
Science is everywhere if you just know where to look. Thanks for watching SciCurious. Until next time.